The anti-obesity drug Ozempic may have broader benefits than previously thought, potentially even slowing the aging process, according to researchers. Multiple studies have shown that semaglutide, marketed under the names Wegovy and Ozempic, significantly reduces the risk of death in overweight or obese individuals with cardiovascular disease, even in the absence of diabetes. Participants taking semaglutide experienced lower mortality rates from all causes, including cardiovascular issues and COVID-19. Additionally, the drug was found to improve symptoms of heart failure. Professor Harlan M. Krumholz from Yale School of Medicine, commenting on research published in the Journal of the American College of Cardiology, JACC, noted that semaglutide's benefits, possibly due to its positive impact on cardiometabolic health, extend far beyond initial expectations. He emphasized that these medications could transform cardiovascular care and significantly enhance overall heart health. Professor Krumholz also suggested that improving cardiometabolic health could lead to a longer, healthier life, raising the possibility of the drug having anti-aging effects. He remarked, "It's not just about preventing heart attacks, these are overall health promoters. I wouldn't be surprised if improving people's health in this way actually slows down the aging process." The findings were presented at the European Society of Cardiology Conference 2024 in London and were derived from the SELECT trial, which involved 17,604 participants aged 45 or older who were overweight or obese and had established cardiovascular disease but no diabetes. The participants received either 2.4 mg of semaglutide or a placebo and were monitored for over 3 years. During the study, 833 participants died, with 58% of deaths attributed to cardiovascular causes and 42% to other causes. Infection was the most common non-cardiovascular cause of death, but it occurred less frequently in the semaglutide group compared to the placebo group. While the participants were equally likely to contract COVID-19, those taking semaglutide had a lower mortality rate from the virus, 2.6% compared to 3.1% in the placebo group. Researchers also found that semaglutide consistently reduced the risk of adverse cardiovascular outcomes across genders, although women experienced fewer major adverse cardiovascular events overall. Dr. Benjamin Sirica, the lead author of one of the studies and a professor of cardiovascular medicine at Harvard Medical School, expressed surprise at the significant reduction in non-cardiovascular deaths, particularly from infections, which was likely only detectable due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Dr. Jeremy Samuel Faust, an emergency medicine physician at Brigham and Women's Hospital, commended the researchers for adapting the study to include COVID-19 data. He noted that the findings suggest the weight loss drug may act similarly to a vaccine in mitigating the indirect effects of pathogens, particularly by reducing the risk of fatal outcomes in individuals with pre-existing conditions like coronary artery disease.